All right, welcome back. Now we're going to dive into the main melody of Percy Jackson and the Olympians. It's actually quite simple and rhythmically easy. The difficulty will be pairing this with the left hand. So it sounds like this. Really slow, really broad and sweeping. So there is a similar element to each of the 3 times we play this, and that is A, D, and then we hit the A, the octave above. Now it sounds nicer with the octaves, but if your hands aren't quite that big, then you can just play the single notes. Either way, that is the beginning to each. It's that A, D, A. On the first version, we play A again, and then we go down. Think of it kind of as a retreat, right? We're going forth to battle, then we pull back. If you want to count, it's 2 counts for each of them going up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then 4 counts for our retreat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second time through, we start the same way. But instead of retreating, this time we charge, and we're going to charge up to the B flat. And hold that for 4. 2, 3, 4. So the second time all the way through. Ready, go. Excellent. The third time through, again, we start the same way. Then we do a retreat and go back up. It's gonna change our mind halfway there. Another way of thinking of it is a boomerang. We throw the boomerang and it comes back and goes out again. All right, let's do this from the top, starting with our first sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4, and retreat. 2, 3, 4, rest, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, and charge. 2, 3, 4, rest, rest. And then a boomerang. And there you have it. That is the right hand. Next time, we'll work on pairing this with the left hand, and then we'll really be cooking for this song. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you here shortly.